So in the last video, we were studying this thing that how to graph of an odd function. Okay. See, we took this example y equal to x. When you draw the graph of y equal to x line, it is something like this. Okay. So you see here this point. Okay. The portion of the graph on this side is same as the portion on the graph on this side. Okay. So from this we can conclude that the graph of odd function is always symmetrical about it is symmetrical about origin. Graph of odd function, it is always symmetrical about origin. Now next we learn about graphing an even function. Okay, and what is an even function? So both the things we now learn now. Okay, so next definition is the definition of even function. Okay, a function f of x is said to be an even function if f of minus x it is equal to f of x for all x belongs to the domain of the function. Okay, mean on changing x to minus x. Okay, it does not, if it does not affect your function, it remains f of x, then the function is called an even function. Okay, for example, f of x equal to x square. Now on changing x to minus x, what do you get? You get here minus of x square. So minus of x square is what? It is x square. X square is what? It is f of x. Okay. So see, on changing here x to minus x, I again get f of x. So it implies that x square is an even. Okay, x square is an even function. So in the list of an even function, we have x square, x4, x6. Okay, all these are all these are even functions. Okay, all these are even functions. Now next we graph an even function. Okay, graph of an even function. See, in order to see the graph of an even function, I take this example f of x equal to x square. Okay, the graph of f of x equal to x square is something like this. It is something like this: y equal to x square. So you see that the portion of the graph on this side, okay, on this side, it is same as the portion on the graph on this side. Okay, so it means that this graph, it is symmetrical about y-axis. Okay, so this graph is symmetrical about y-axis. So here we can say that graph of an even function is symmetrical about y-axis. Okay, graph of an even function, it is symmetrical about y-axis. Now note here one thing, that cos of minus x, this is equal to cos x. Okay, so it implies that cos x is an even function. Okay, cos x is also an even function. Now we see the product properties. Product properties of odd and odd and even function. Product properties of odd and even function. First property is this, that whenever we multiply two even function, so the answer is again even. Okay, product of two even function is an even function. Number two, product of two odd function, it is again an even function. Now product of odd and even function, it is an odd function, and product of even and odd function, it is just an odd function. So notice here one thing, that whenever two alphabets they are same, okay, then the answer is even function. Okay, then the answer is even function. Whenever two alphabets they are different, like O and E or E or O, then they are odd function. Okay, okay, they are odd function. Now, so for EE it is E, OO it is E, OE it is O, and EO it is O. Here O refers to odd function, okay, and E refers to even function. Okay, thank you very much.